If you're looking for the best business to start in Florida, you're in luck. Because there are dozens of profitable ventures that you can start in the state. It's a highly regarded market, particularly for small businesses, which is why so many entrepreneurs flock to the state to bring their ideas to life and precisely why it's considered one of the best states to start an LLC. Before we jump into the video, let's introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a service provider offering registered agent services, business formation, and more. The company provides top-notch privacy protection and customer support from agents across the United States at an affordable rate. It's extremely easy to get started with LLC formation services at Northwest Registered Agent. You simply go to its website and elect for the company to complete the process for you. Then you'll select the type of business you want to form, LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. From there, you'll select your state and whether you would like to pay for a 7-day processing period or a 1-day period. After that, you'll only have to pay and submit basic documentation about you and your business. Then the company will take it from there to get your business registered. Let's continue the video. Is Florida a good state to start a business? There are several reasons why Florida is a good state to start a business. It's the third largest state in the country with a population of nearly 22 million. The zero state income tax is another big advantage. Starting a new business in Florida is also less expensive compared to other states. The Sunshine State gets a lot of tourists as well. A record 137.6 million tourists visited Florida in 2022, and this number is projected to grow even further in the coming years. This significantly expands the client base for businesses. Let's discover the 22 best businesses to start in Florida. Number 1. Food business. Food is integral to the Florida experience largely because of its cultural history and ethnic diversity. Those who live here and those who visit know that food from all corners of the globe can be found in Florida. They actively seek out new culinary experiences. You can add to the state's culinary landscape with your own food business. You don't even need to invest heavily to open up a high-end restaurant. Even a food truck would be sufficient to tap into the state's thriving food scene. Number 2. Grocery store. As a prospective business owner in the grocery industry, you have the option to choose between opening a franchise grocery store or a conventional supermarket. Florida's high population density and strong consumer demand for grocery stores make it an attractive market for both options. A prime location with high foot traffic is essential to attract and retain customers, and market research can help determine the optimal location for the store. With the right strategy and management, owning a grocery store in Florida can be a profitable and rewarding business venture. Then, number 3. Real estate business. Florida is one of the hottest real estate markets in the country. Not only does it attract buyers from across the globe, but it's also a preferred retirement destination for many people living in the U.S. It's relatively simple to start a real estate business in Florida without much investment. The over 200,000 realtors operating in Florida are a testament to that. 4. Insurance franchise. There are several things that people will always need insurance for, including but not limited to their homes, cars, valuables, and even pets. If you have a natural ability to sell, consider the insurance franchise business. 5. Hotel or motel. Many of the 137.6 million tourists that came to Florida in 2022 would have needed a place to stay. Florida's standing as a tourism hotspot means that there's always a high demand for hotel and motel rooms in the state. You can become a part of this lucrative industry either by setting up an independent hotel or a chain hotel property in addition to buying a motel. 6. Nail salon. Nail salons are a big business across the United States and indeed in FL as well. People spend over $8.3 billion on nail salon services in the country, so you can imagine the sheer potential that exists in this industry. The industry is projected to achieve double-digit growth in the coming years, which means that opening a nail salon business can deliver lucrative returns down the road. Northwest Registered Agent should be your preferred registered agent. Having exceptional expertise in shaping the entrepreneurial dream for thousands of founders, we have gained strategic insights into what it takes to be a registered agent for businesses. Therefore, our superior registered agent services allow you to focus on your core businesses while we handle government correspondence on your behalf. Sign up today to see the difference a responsible registered agent can bring to your business. Number 7. Clothing boutique. Clothing boutiques are smaller, niche stores that provide specific types and styles of clothing. The target audience is narrower, but since you're only focusing on customers who know what they're looking for, this leads to a higher percentage of your customers being recurring buyers. Florida has a thriving entertainment scene, and that always contributes to the demand for new clothing. Then, number 8. Microbrewery business. The craft beer business has exploded in the U.S. in recent years, and Florida is no exception. The craft beer industry in the Sunshine State is among the top 5 in the country. While they're expensive to set up, microbreweries tend to do very well in tourist regions like Florida, as visitors actively seek out new experiences and are willing to spend money on them. 9. Organic beauty products. The clean and healthy living revolution has taken over, and its effects can be felt in Florida as well. More people than ever before are now opting for organic and all-natural products. Since there's a greater focus now on the ingredient origins in beauty products, businesses in this industry can cater to a highly specific target audience that doesn't mind paying more for products that they know are organic and don't contain any ingredients they consider to be harmful. 10. Automotive repair shop. Whether it's car repairs needed after an accident or general maintenance like an oil change or a tune-up, people will always need help to fix their cars. It's particularly useful to start this business in Florida because the state doesn't require auto technicians to be licensed. Number 11. Lawn care and landscaping. Florida's warm and sunny climate provides an ideal environment for growing a variety of plants and flowers, making it a dream destination for many homeowners looking to create and maintain a beautiful landscape. This high demand for landscaping and lawn care services has resulted in a thriving industry in the state, with many businesses offering a range of services to cater to the needs of their clients. From mowing and edging to fertilization and pest control, these businesses provide professional and efficient services to keep lawns and gardens in pristine condition. 12. Cleaning business. Florida has a lot of hotel and motel rooms. Over 450,000 according to some estimates, and they all need to be cleaned. Countless people also rent out their homes as short-term vacation rentals, which need to be cleaned every time there's a guest turnover. That's an incredible amount of work to be done, and that's not even counting homeowners who may also require assistance with cleaning. That's why this is a lucrative business to start in Florida. 13. Moving services. A lot of people move to Florida every year, particularly those looking to retire, and they may not be able to handle such an enormous task themselves. They'll gladly trust a moving company with the entire process so that they can get settled in relatively easily. There will also be consistent demand from people who move within the state. 14. Organic farming. The climate in Florida is perfect to start an organic farming business. The demand for organic fruits and vegetables has grown significantly not just within the U.S., but across the globe. If this is something that you enjoy doing and want to contribute to transforming the agricultural supply chain, then organic farming is certainly one of the best businesses to start in Florida for you. 15. Travel agency or tour planner. Remember, more than 130 million people visited Florida just in 2022 alone. Most of them would have come here to experience the best of what the state has to offer. Start a travel agency to assist people with their travel and accommodation bookings. Offer tour planning services as well, including customized itineraries, enabling visitors to benefit from your knowledge about the best things to do in Florida. Help them have a great time on their vacation so that they can be happy to drum up business for you by recommending your services to others. 16. Fitness. People are increasingly becoming mindful of their health and wellness. The gym, health, and fitness club industry in Florida is worth over $1.8 billion and is projected to grow considerably in the coming years. Florida is best known for its beaches, and you can't build a beach body without going to a fitness club. Open a gym or a yoga club to help people achieve fitness goals. 17. Senior care services. Florida is the preferred retirement destination for many seniors from across the U.S. Since they tend to require special attention, there's an increasing demand for senior care services in the state. Nearly 20% of the population is between the ages of 65 to 84. Your senior care business doesn't just need to be a living facility. You can cater to seniors by providing a transportation service, for example, or working as an aged care provider. 18. Babysitting. This is a good business opportunity as people often have to rely on babysitting services for their children if they're unable to do that themselves due to work. Often, they just might want to have a nice night out without having their children in tow. Do keep in mind that people will most likely perform a background check on the person they trust their child to. 19. Pet services. People love their pets and spend a lot of money to take care of them and make sure that they look good and are in good health. Your business can provide a variety of services. This may include pet sitting or boarding, specialty grooming, and even something as simple as dog walking. 20. Consulting. If you're skilled in a particular industry or have specialized knowledge, you can utilize it to offer consulting services. For example, if you have a good track record as an entrepreneur, you can provide business consulting to startups. You could be a financial consultant and help people with their investments. The opportunities are endless. With Florida being a thriving business hub, there will always be someone who needs help and you can offer it through your consulting service. 21. Translation services. Florida is very multicultural and diverse. People from all over the globe call it home. They come from different cultures and speak different languages. If you speak multiple languages, you can utilize this skill to offer translation services in Florida, where others who speak the same language will be able to benefit from. Last and final, 22. Tutoring. Tutoring businesses tend to do very well in Florida, particularly those that can help with English as a second language, as a considerable number of Floridians have a different first language. They are motivated to learn and improve their English. In addition to providing tutoring services for English, you can also tap into the remote learning market and provide services to people from across the globe. Now, let's talk about business formation. You've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question: should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Forming an LLC is easy. There are two options for forming your LLC. You can hire a professional LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee, or you can choose your state from the list below to start an LLC yourself. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below.